Intellectual assistant for medical data entry enables acceleration and simplification of medical record processing, including personal data collection, description of complaints, history taken, general examination, evaluation of results of laboratory and functional tests, diagnosis and recommendations. In the personal information section, you provide the following information: a date of a visit, first and last name of a patient, gender, and date of birth. In the complaint section, the most common complaints are presented in alphabetic order. The absence of a complaint is considered as a norm, and this variant is chosen by default. In the anamnesis section, a physician provides information on family history, previous diseases, current medication intake, with indication of trade name of a drug and regime of dosage. In the general examination section, a physician provides data on the patient's current health status, including body temperature, pulse rate, blood pressure level, and so on. And if it's needed, a physician describes different body systems and organ status. It is necessary to mention that by default a variant of norm is chosen, and if during a general examination a deviation of normal condition was determined, the intellectual assistant marks this information in red. In the lab test section, you need to enter date and results of patient's laboratory tests. In the functional test section, you indicate date of investigation, functional test results, and comments if it's needed. In the diagnosis and recommendation section, a physician selects from the list a diagnosis with indication of ICD code. In this section, you can also provide information on disease complications, concurrent diseases, recommendations on additional diagnostics and treatment, as well as conclusion about patient labor ability. The intellectual assistant has several built-in health calculators, for example, BMI calculator. In the general examination section, you indicate height and weight of a patient, and assistant automatically calculates body mass index. If you want to work with this file later, you should press Save Visit button to save all data, and then open saved file using Continue Visit button. Or if you want to save all data and get a printed version, press Print button. The intellectual assistant speeds up and simplifies medical data entry, and built-in health calculators and clinical practice guidelines help a physician to make a right diagnostic decision.